Shubor naga Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khas Hills District uba Vivek's aim habakran cha kila pathai khubor halor ka jingkhlat Ïathuh Insaphira Ïathuh baki pulet kila kali na kibriu la kilet wa ne em ya Ïathuh ha ka tu jaka balalap ya kamet jong I henrei kila ong baki Khlem net wa sha ka tu jaka uba Vivek ulo ong ru baladep banbu jingkli ya kipulet babalei ki kilet banlet wa Ïathuh Insaphira ha ka tu jaka bat na kalian kipulet kila batai ba nabadon Shyiap simen balatap ya kamet kumta ki Khlem yo I ya kamet jong ka hebrit na jngai batang ladalet kham hajan lala ban yo I ya kamet ha ka to ju ka sngi bakiwat ya ka ha ka ju ko por uba Vivek ulo ong ru bawat la ladep ban pin shisha ba ude ukhna uba khatlai snem ubadon kti ha ka ban yalam I hebrit sha ka te ka jaka kabadang te bat kat kum ka jing Ïathuh ukhna khatlai snem ba Ïathuh Insaphira ilahap shapo bat ngam jlop henrei ka jing to ket ru kadang hap ban yat Shu uba Vivek ulo ong bakani ka kis kalong ka ba namar ba omdan sakhi satar ban penshisha ya ka ka balaja ha ka tu jaka kumta na kalyang kipulet kidang penlong ya ka jing to ket ban lap ya ka te ka jing yalam ute ukhna ya Ïathuh Insaphira sha ka te ka jaka ka de ka baladon jing thumu lupa shalendet lani ka de ka ba shuja ringkhat.
We asked people whether they have visited that place and all that, and nobody has visited that place. One thing is also we have in fact asked the police party, why have you missed out that place? It's because that place was covered, it had a lot of cement sediments, and when the body actually had submerged out there, the sediments had covered the body. If you had seen the body, you cannot make out unless you really go close by. It was only that this labourer who found out, but nobody actually had gone there to see the child actually, or to see that place where it was with or without the body. So it's actually, it is all in all likelihood that the the child died there only.
This is not normal.
A natural thing of a sequence of events would have been, in case he drowned, he would have actually told, but he didn't inform. That's why it merits that it was that we have to apprehend him and produce him before the Juvenile Justice Board, because this merits more investigation. Yes, we have proven the fact that it is this boy who's involved in this whole affair of bringing the child out there. His claim is accidental, that she died because of drowning and he panicked, but that merits more investigation.